Parmar and I am your English teacher. English and English grammar. And our English book name is Honey Sugar. It is NCERT book. And today we are going to learn Unit 1. In Unit 1, Lesson 1, we have the chapter. The name of the chapter is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Who did Patrick's homework? Coming to a new standard, seeing a new book, you must have almost now turned all the pages of the books and you must have seen which are the stories are there, what are the pictures in the book. Just excitement that now I am in a new standards and I can see the book and whether it will be easy or not for me. So you are so excited to learn and reading the first lesson name, Who Did Patrick's Homework? You will be little bit surprised and you will be eager when teacher will teach this lesson. Some of you must have read out. Already must have read. But still we need to understand. So who did Patrick's homework? So it is a story about a boy like you. He is a student and he doesn't like to do his homework. Some of you sitting here, many of you doesn't like to do your homework. Yes or no? Am I right? Okay. But I must tell you, we should do our homework whenever we are giving at the right time. Otherwise, if we say that tomorrow I'll do, and we will never get the time to complete our work. So we should do our work at the time whenever it is given. So, Patrick didn't like to do his homework. He always played badminton, outdoor games, and he played a Nintendo or video game. One day, he saw that his cat was playing with he felt it is a doll, but actually it was not a doll. It was a tiniest size man called Elf. आपने देखा है शंख आकार की टोपी पहने हुए joggers in the circus. They small men you have seen, no? How they make entertain, how they make people enjoy seeing them. They entertain others. So like that, a tiny man the cat was playing with, but the Patrick thought it is a doll. So the Patrick saw the little man and he also was surprised. The elf knew that the Patrick had seen him and he asked Patrick to help him. And he said to Patrick, if you save my life from this cat, I will grant you a wish. Patrick was very happy to get a wish. We all are naturally very happy when we get a wish, when we get a surprise from our family members or parents or anybody, friends. So he was very happy. And he asked a wish. What wish the Patrick asked? The Patrick asked that you will have to complete my homework till the end of the semester. And how long was the semester? Semester was for the 35 days. Okay. So today we will be learning the first 5 paragraphs. We will be going through the first 5 paragraphs. Let's see what's happened. In the first paragraph, Patrick never did his homework. I'll explain to you line to line that Patrick never did his homework. He felt that it is too boring. He said, it is too boring. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. What he played? He played hockey, that is an outdoor game. Basketball, that is also is an outdoor game. But Nintendo is a video game. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. Right. Unless and until whatever is taught in the classroom, you practice, you will never learn and you will fail in the exam. So practice makes man perfect. So whatever we learn, we should practice. Do your homework or you won't learn anything. And it is true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. Ignoramus means ignorant person. One who lacks education. Ignorance, a person who lacks education. But what could he do? He hated homework. What Patrick hated? He hated doing homework. His teacher also used to say him, but he never listened. His parents, but he never listened. In the second paragraph, Patrick's cat was playing with a doll. And what doll said? Save me, I will grant you a wish. Then, one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. One day Patrick saw that his cat was playing with a little doll. He grabbed it away, means took away from the cat. This, to his surprise, it wasn't a doll. When he grabbed the doll away from the cat, to his surprise, he saw that it was not a doll, but a man of the tiniest size. You can see in your books, if you are sitting with your books at this moment, you can find out and see the picture in your book that it is a tiniest size man. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned bridge and a high tall hat much like a witch's. Picture means a short trousers like. Alright, here it is a form rhyme with the word witch. Okay. He yelled. Yelled means shouted. Yelled. And save me. Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. As soon as the tiniest man saw the Patrick, when he took him away from the cat, he said, he yelled and he said, please don't give me to that cat. I will grant you a wish. In order to save his life, the man grant a wish to Patrick. And I promise you that whatever you ask, I will do it for you. In the third paragraph, what wish was the Patrick? To complete the homework of 35 days. To complete the homework of 35 days. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. When we get the things which we really wanted and when we get how happy we are. हमें कुछ चाहिए और वो तुरंत जब मिल जाता है तो हमें बहुत खुशी होती है. तो same thing happened with Patrick. Patrick was so happy. He couldn't believe how lucky he was. वो कितना lucky था, उसको believe नहीं हो रहा था. Here was the answer to all of his problems. तो यहाँ उसके सारे प्रॉब्लम्स के आंसर उसे मिल गए. Here was the answer to all his problems. Now he thought I can solve all my problems. And what was his problem? To do his homework. To do his homework was his great problem. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. The wish was to complete the homework of till the semester ends, and the semester was of 35 days. If you do a good you get A plus. Okay, you get very happy. So the Patrick also wanted to score a good marks in all subjects by completing his homework, and he wanted to complete his homework by whom? By this tiniest size of man. In the fourth paragraph, the little man with the sad face agreed to do that. Actually, the little man was not happy to complete the homework of Patrick. But what he will do? Already he had given a wish in order to away from the torture of a cat. So, with a sad face, with a hamper, he thought. The little man's face was sprinkled like a dishcloth thrown in a hamper. Hamper means to stand to a basket with a lid. A basket with a lady's cloth means a cloth used for wiping or washing the dishes. Okay. He kicked his legs and doubled his feet, and he grimaced and scowled and pursued his lips. He was not happy at all to do the homework. But what to do? The wish is granted. Okay. So, with his face, with a sudden expression, when we don't like to do something, a sudden expression comes to our face. That was the expression of a little man. Oh, I am cursed. Cursed means given some punishment. Okay, cursed, but I will do that. Still, with a sad face, he said that, okay, I will do that. In the fifth paragraph, if we see, the elf took the help of Patrick and started to do his homework. What the Patrick did? Patrick took the help of elf and started doing his homework. And elf also took the help of Patrick and started to do his homework. And true to his word, whose word these are? Elf. True to his word, the little elf began to do Patrick's homework. उसने जो बोला था, उसने करना शुरू कर दिया. True to his word. We should be always true to our word. Once you say, ma'am, tomorrow onwards I complete my work, means you should be true to your words. Okay? That little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Expert, there was one glade. Expert, there was one glade. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Actually, the elf was poor in studies. We do not know. We can just imagine that he must have not studied. This is actually the elf's imagination of Patrick. Okay, and we also can imagine that can a little man could be like that, very little like a doll. Just we can imagine our imaginations that okay, elf will be there who helped Patrick to do his homework. Actually, Patrick was a student and going to school, but elf was not going to school. We can imagine that. This is my imagination, or you also can imagine. And he didn't know anything in any subjects. And actually the Patrick also was very big in study, so he also didn't know. And elf needed the help of Patrick in all the subjects, especially in English, maths and human history. Especially in English, maths and human history. So what elf did? Help me, he said. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, जब भी एल्फ ने पैट्रिक की मदद चाहे उसे करना पड़ा, क्योंकि एल्फ को भी नहीं पता था कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट में क्या करना है. Only Patrick knew that, but he was lazy and he didn't like to do that. But we will see in the further chapter that by helping the elf doing his homework, got a good result at the end of the chapter. I don't know this word. The elf squeezed while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No. What's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So what? First subject was English. Elf took the book, but he couldn't understand it. So Elf said, just start reading and sound it by the each letter. Then only I can understand and do your homework. If we begin to do our work like that, slowly one by one we learn the words which we do not know. We go through the dictionary, we find out, still we don't understand. Ask the help of your teachers, the friends which you have, those who are brilliant, your parents. They may know the meaning, they may explain to you well. So, learning like that, we can get a proper information about it. So, today in this chapter we have learned the first 5 paragraphs and we have seen that Patrick didn't like his homework and he saw the cat was playing with a doll and he asked a wish. With a sad face, little man has to fulfill the wish of Patrick and they began to do their homework by taking the help of each other. The further chapter we will see into the next class. So, go through it. The words which you feel are very hard and write down all the hard words meaning in your notebook. Study it, read the chapter and understand it. If you have any doubt, ask me at any time. Have a good day. Thank you.